everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We are back again with the Mzansi Soapie story, starting with what will happen on the Queen. Firstly, Shine Izandla guys, uvuyiswa ngempela uyabuya as from the 2nd of August 2021. She will be launching the new investigation that could take down Hector once and for all. Let me take you back to the Soapies and the causes storyline. The fight between Harriet and Hector took an unexpected turn. Hector and Thando came to destroy all the causes because of what they did to their family, which led to Mpho's death. Emotional conversation between Hector and Harriet changed everything. They both realized that they are the only people who understand each other's pain. Harriet lost her daughter Kia and Hector lost his daughter Mpho. The new season, which is season 6 of The Queen, starting on the 26th of July 2021, reveals that the biggest enemies will develop feelings for each other, making the life of their family difficult, especially for Thando, who wants a revenge for his sister Mpho. Does this mean the war is over between the two rivals? Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.